Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Magic Media Compressor, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Magic Media Compressor, start by launching the application on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the login screen. On the login screen, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the provided field. Next, type in your password in the corresponding field. After filling in your credentials, look for the login button at the bottom of the screen. Click the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the main dashboard of the application. In case of an authentication error, double-check your username and password for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Click the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email associated with your account. After successfully logging in, you can start using Magic Media Compressor for your projects. For better security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Now you're ready to take advantage of all the features Magic Media Compressor has to offer. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the tools and options available. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated and can now start compressing your media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.